Absolutely. And I've done that, trust me, multiple times. If I continue to see that when I should be making money and it's not, I wait for it to go flat so I don't take an L. I get the hell out of there, look for the next setup because something is wrong. I bought it wrong. It's something's not moving right. And I can tell you too, if you're buying PLTR, if you guys are buying anything, like this is just my rule, I won't do it for 2 days, right? I don't buy for this Friday's expiration. I won't do that. So I will buy for next Fridays because it's just too much time decay. I don't want to hold this thing through the rest of the day and even have a little bit of my money taken when all I had to do instead of buying this Friday was move it out a week, which gives me 9 days instead of 2. And then I don't have to worry at all the whole day. Does that make sense, everybody? Just paying a little bit more. So that's another little tip that will help you. Because I can tell you this, if you could afford it, I'd be buying PLTR for a year out on the trade right now, right? My scalp could be for a year out. Doesn't have to be Friday. The only difference is how many can you buy? Well, guess what? If you've got a large account, you could buy 100 PLTR for a year out instead of you doing it for 2 days and you're completely covered the whole day and never have to worry. And, you know, all the things look better, don't they? And even better, if you have a large account, you could buy shares. And now you're way better off than buying those options. So shares are always the best way to go. Right, Nate? You know, in the larger accounts that we build up, hopefully by doing this correctly, we would just buy shares. There's no reason to even be dabbling in these options. Instead, I could buy 1,000 PLTR instead of, you know, 20, 30, 40 contracts of PLTR. And then I don't have time decay. I don't have gamma. I don't have to worry about, you know, anything that's going on when this is moving, when it goes flat and it loses money. I don't worry about that. It's penny for penny with stock, and it's good forever. And it's easier to manipulate with stops. It's easier with trailing stops. So again, shares, 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 shares.